before starting question number 5, again I am telling the rule. Addition and subtraction. First you have to check it. Denominators are same or not. First you have to check it. Denominators are same or not. If not same, you have to make the denominator equal. Make a denominator same or equal. Okay. Only addition and subtraction. Only addition and subtraction. Multiplication time. No LCM. No need to take LCM. No need to check denominators are same or not. Only you have to cut out numerator and denominator. Okay. Now third, division time. 2/3 divided by 4/6. Okay. This one is called dividend. This is called a divisor. Okay. Dividend and divisor. So division time, you have to take the reciprocal of divisor. That means 2/3. Division coming to multiplication, and this divisor you take the reciprocal. 6/4. Reciprocal meaning numerator will come in denominator side and the denominator move to numerator side. Division converted to multiplication and cut it. 3 and 6, 2. 2 and 4 you cut it, 2. 2 and 2 cut it, you will get a 1. Clear? How to do? Division time, what you have to do? Divisor, that is second number. Division will convert to multiply sign, multiplication sign, and second number you take the reciprocal and cut out. I hope rules everybody understood. Addition and subtraction only you will take a LCM, yeah. Denominator you have to make a same. Multiplication, no need to check the denominator. You have to cut out numerator and denominator and write down in simple fractions. Division time, division sign will be convert to multiplication sign, and divisor you take the reciprocal. Otherwise divisor, otherwise second number after division sign, which number is coming, that number you take reciprocal and cut out, write the answer. I hope everybody clear now. We will start now question number 5. Question number 5, simplify. 12/25 into 15/28 into 35/36. Cut out the numbers. Okay. Your wish. Cutting, after cutting you will get a 1/4 is the answer. Clear? Next, 10/27 into 39 divided by 56 into 28 divided by 65. Cut out. You know, cut out meaning children, numerator and denominator. Any common number table coming or not. After that you can cut out. The 13 table, 39 and 65 coming. 13 3 are 39, 13 5 are 65. 3 and 5 coming. Again you can take cut out 5 and 10. 5 table 10 is coming. 5 2 are 10. Clear? Now 7 table coming. 28, 7 4 are 28, 7 8 are 56, 4 and 8, 4 table 8 is coming, 4 2 are 8, this 2 and 2 will be cut out, you will get a 1 by 9 as the answer. Cutting your choice, children. Okay, next 2 and 2 by 17 into 7 and 2 by 9 into 1 and 33 by 52. See, mixed fraction, you have to convert it into improper fraction, that you know very well. 17 2 are 34 plus 2 36, converting and cut out the numbers. Okay, you will get a 25 is the answer. Understood? Simplify, same type of question. This addition question, I told you addition and subtraction, you have to check the denominator. Denominators are different, you have to make the denominator same. By cross multiplication method I used 3 3 are 9, 10 10 are 100, 10 3 are 30. Adding improper fraction, you have to make it a mixed fraction. Okay, you have to get 3 and 19 by 30. Next, this also addition question, denominators are same, so need not to take a LCM. The common denominator you can write, and the numerator you can simply add 23 plus 4 27, because denominators are same. So numerator you are adding. Here also addition, denominators are different, so you have to take a LCM, yeah, cross multiplication method. First you have to convert improper into this mixed fraction into improper fraction. After that I cross multiply this 39 and 10. See, after that dividing you will get an. Now dividing question, no need to check the denominator. Dividing question, I told you, division sign convert to multiplication sign. Second number, first you have to convert into improper fraction. Second number, take reciprocal. 5 will be move up, 12 will be come down, and cut out. You will get a 5 by 3. Divide, you will get a 1 and 2 by 3. See, division means multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, division sign means you multiply. How you will multiply? Reciprocal of the divisor. Second number reciprocal you take and multiply. Okay, next 2 by 5 plus meaning denominator you have to make a same by cross multiplication. Yeah, LCM, cross multiplication already I done here. 2 2 are 4, 5 3 are 15, 5 2 are 10. Okay, here also addition, yeah, subtraction, you have to make the denominator same, convert it into improper fraction. Cross multiplication. Okay, divide, you will get 4 and 13 by 15. 2 and 1 by 5 plus 1 and 1 by 5, make it into improper fraction. Denominators are same. Addition meaning you have to check the denominator. Denominators are same, so you can just add the numerators, and dividing you will get. Here also addition, make the denominator same. 7 and 2 cross multiply. So before starting simplification, you have to identify the brackets. Okay, which bracket you have to do first. Types of brackets. One is bar bracket. This is called a bar bracket. Second is called a parenthesis. Okay, parenthesis. Parenthesis means, see, small bracket. Third one we are telling curly brackets. that you know, curly brackets. Okay, first one is bar, second one is parenthesis, that meaning small one, third one is curly bracket, and fourth one you know very well, square brackets. See, okay. The brackets are removed from the innermost to the outermost, which are normally in the following order. Which are the following? First, bar bracket. Second one, parenthesis. First you have to solve bar bracket. After that you have to solve a parenthesis. Next, curly bracket. And last you have to solve a square. Like that only you have to solve. You are studying board mass. Board mass, what is the meaning of board mass? Brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first B meaning brackets, that which are the brackets there. This type of brackets you can see, but out of these brackets first you have to solve a bar bracket. Next only you have to solve this small one bracket, that is parenthesis. Next one, after this only you have to do curly. After curly only you have to solve square. Understood? Simplify. 2 by 5 of 5 by 7 divided by 7 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus 4 by 5 plus 1 by 4. Everywhere you can say parenthesis only. So you have to solve parenthesis bracket, the small one. Of meaning multiplication. Okay, then you can cut out 2 by 7 divided by, here subtraction sign. You have to take the LCM, otherwise cross multiplication, make the denominator same, cross multiplication only I done. Here addition, cross multiplication. After 2 by 7, 44 by 35, 21 by 20. Division, wherever you will see division sign, it will convert to multiplication sign, and this second number will become reciprocal, numerator coming to denominator side and denominator move to numerator side. Cut out, because board mass you will use. First division only we will do. After that multiplication. Here division convert to multiplication. After multiplication, addition. No subtraction is there. Okay. 22 and 20. Addition. You have to take LCM. Yeah, cross multiplication. LCM 228 I can see. Okay. $220 will come. After getting LCM, you have to multiply with the LCM each number, each fraction, and common LCM is 220. Add it and divide, you will get answer. Second, 2 by 5 of 3 by 7 minus 1 by 9 of 3 by 7 plus 1 by 17 of 34 by 5. See, 1 by 7 into 34 by 5. Of meaning multiplication. Here also of meaning multiplication of multiplication. Multiplication you can cut out and write the number. Here no cutting numbers are there. 3 and 5 you can cut out. 2 and 7. So straight away you can multiply. Here you can cut out the numbers. 3 and 9. 3 table 3 3 are 9. Here also you can cut out 17 table. 17 2 are 34. 2 by 5. Okay. See, subtraction, addition. Addition and subtraction, you have to check the denominators. Not same, you have to make the denominator same. So I have taken LCM 105. Multiply with 105. Okay. Multiplying. You are getting, see, 18 plus 42 minus 5. You will get a 55. 42 plus 18, 60. 60 minus 5 is 55 divided by 105. Cut it. 5 table. You will get a 11 by 21. Next 3 and 1 by 5 divided by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 7 divided by 1 and 1 by 7. Make improper fraction. Here subtraction meaning you have to make the denominator same, across multiplied. Okay. Here division meaning it will convert to multiplication sign, and second number take a reciprocal, make a improper fraction, and the second number will become no reciprocal of second number. You have to take 7 will come up, 8 will come down. Okay. Now see, small one bracket you have to, I told you, parenthesis first you have to solve. I am solving the parenthesis first. This 5 by 3, it will come 1 by 4. Okay. Now division, addition. First you have to do division. Division meaning it will convert to multiplication, reciprocal. You can cut out the number, no, straight away you multiply. See, addition sign, you have to take the LCM, 100 LCM. So multiplying by 100, common 100 you will get. Okay. Dividing you to 2 and 17 by 100. 2 by 4 minus 1 by 5. 1 and 3 by 4 plus 4 by 3 divided by 1 by 5 plus 4 by 15 minus 2 by 5. Okay. So cut out 2 and 4 you can cut out because this one number only. You can't cut out 2 and 5 because subtraction is there. But this you can cut out in short. Reduce this fraction, you can reduce 1 by 2, 1 by 5. Here also make improper fraction, 7 by 4 and 1 by 5 plus 4 by 15 and 2 by 5. Clear? This one 15, see, addition and subtraction sign, so you have to make the denominator equal. So I taken 15 as 15, you can take as LCM and multiply with the 15 each time. Cut out, see, 15 and cutting. Okay, you will get division. Here also same, addition, cross multiplied. Here also cross multiplied, 3 by 10. See, in between brackets no sign is there, that meaning multiplication only. Brackets only, that meaning multiplication. Here division. Board mass you know very well that first you have to do division. Division meaning division sign will convert to multiplication, and second number you will take the reciprocal. And multiplication you can cut out the number, you will get a 111 divided by 8, 13 and 7 by 8. Next one, 7 and 2 by 3 divided by 5 minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 5 of 5 by 6 of meaning multiplication. Multiplication you can parenthesis you can solve first. Okay, 1 by 2. Here also subtraction, so make the denominator equal, cross multiplication. Okay, division and addition. Division will come, division sign converting to multiplication sign, and second number reciprocal. Multiplication first you have to do, and addition sign make the denominator same. Take LCM, 14 is the LCM, cut out. See, 13 by 14 you will get 2 and 1 by 7. Clear? Now we will see the weights problem. Okay, what should be added to 5 and 4 by 15 to get 12 and 3 by 5? Okay, what should be added to 5 and 4 by 15 to get 12 and 3 by 5? Which number should be added? Clear? See, suppose A be added. Okay, A be added. A is adding to 5 and 4 by 15, you are getting 12 and 3 by 5. A to Q meaning according to the question. Now A you want, A is the number you are adding. This number you convert this mixed to improper. After that this improper will be moved that side because you want A. Plus will come to minus sign. Denominators are different, so you have to make the denominator same. LCM 15. Okay, you are getting what is the answer? 22/3. Cutting 5 table cutting. You are getting 7 and 1/3. That means your number is 7 and 1/3. Now 9th question. By what number should 6 and 2/9 be multiplied to get 4 and 4/9? Which number should be multiplied with this number? Suppose A is multiplied with this number. Okay. See. A be multiply. A is multiplying with this number according to the question. A is multiplying with this number. You are getting this. A you want make mixed to improper. Here 9 is dividing. It will be 9 dividing number will be multiply here. Okay. 9 will be move here. And 56 is multiply. Numerator side it will come denominator side. After that you cut it. You will get 5/7 is the answer. Understand? Clear? Let A be multiplied. See, multiplying. Convert it to 56/7 into A is 40/9. Okay. 56 into A 40/9. A equal to 56/9. Dividing number will be multiply here. And multiplication number will be divide. Numerator will come denominator side and denominator will come numerator side. You are taking to LHS to or left hand side to right hand side. Okay, after cutting you will get 5/7 is the answer. This number should be multiplied. 10th question. The product of two fractions is 25 and 5/6. If one of the fraction is 6 and 2/3, find the other. Two fraction product is 25 and 5/6. One fraction is 6 and 2/3. Then find the other. Suppose the other fraction be which one? I am thinking that other be P. Okay. According to the question, one number is 6 and 2/3 into other number equal to you are getting 25 and 5/6. Make to improper. Okay, I told you multiplication sign. When this number will be moved this side, the numerator will be coming to denominator side and denominator move to numerator side. Why? Because multiplication. Okay. See, after that cutting you will get 3 and 7/8. 31/8 divided 3 and 7/8. Clear? Question number 11. A piece of wire is of length. Wire length is 12 and 3/4 meter. That wire cutting into two pieces. One piece length is how much? 5 and 1/4. You have to find out the other piece length. Total length is 12 and 3/4. Total length 12 and 3/4 meter. One piece length how much? 5 and 1/4 meter. Other length, other piece length you suppose P meter. Okay. Then when you will add this cut piece, you add it. Then you have to get a total length. Am I right? This wire only cutting into two pieces. When you add it, these two pieces, you will get a full length. Okay. Then P you want. Okay. P want, then this number will be moved that side. Addition, that number will be go to subtraction. Okay. Addition number will go to subtraction. Make it to improper fraction. 21/4 it will be subtract here. See, denominators are same. Straight away you can subtract the numerators. Improper fraction, cut it in two tables. Okay, 2 are 4, 2 15 are 30, and divide it, you will get 7 and 1/2 meter. Then other piece length is equal to 7 and 1/2 meter. Next, question number 12. Sarah plants 4 saplings, 4 small plants, planting in a row in her garden. 4 saplings are there. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3/4 meter. Find the distance between the first and last sapling. Okay, 4 saplings are there, and distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3/4. You have to find out the first and last sapling distance. See, like that, 4 sapling, first, second, third, fourth. See, adjacent sapling distance is 3/4. Here also 3/4, here also 3/4. So here to here, how much? 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4. Yeah, 3/4 into 3. Like that also. Denominators are same. You have to add the numerator. But you will get it 9/4. Okay. 2 and 1/4 meter. You have to write the steps. Total saplings 4. Distance between 2 adjacent saplings equal to 3/4. Distance between first and last saplings equal to 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4. That is 9/4. That is 2 and 1/4 meter. 3 and 3/4, children, I written 3 into 3/4. That meaning, you know very well, in smaller classes you are studying 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 3 times adding, better you can multiply 3 into 2. Am I right? 2 3 times adding, better 2 into 3. Okay, like that only. 3/4, 3 times adding, better you multiply by 3. Okay. Question number 13. Sharon can walk 8 and 1/3 kilometer in 1 hour. 1 hour, 8 and 1/3 kilometer. Then how much distance will she cover in 2 and 2/4 hours? Okay. 1 hour, 8 and 1/3 kilometer covering. Then 2 and 2/5 hours, how much cover? Distance covered in 1 hour, 8 and 1/3 kilometer. Okay. Then distance cover in 2 and 2/5 hours, how much? You have to multiply. Okay. Cut out, you will get 20 kilometer. See, question number 14. Question number 14. The cost of 6 and 1/4 kg of apple, rupees 400. At what rate per kg? Per kg meaning 1 kg of apple, how much? 1 kg of apples, how much? 6 and 1/4 kg of apples, 400. That means you have to find out the 1 kg. 1 kg meaning you have to divide. Cost of 6 and 1/4 kg apples, 400. Then cost of 1 kg apples, 400 divided by 6 and 1/4. Division convert to multiplication, and second number you take the reciprocal and cut out, you will get a rupees 64. A sugar bag contains 30 kg of sugar. After consuming 2/5 of the sugar, how much sugar is left in the bag? That means total sugar is 30 kg. Out of 30 kg, consumed 2/5 of the sugar. That means 2/5 of 30 you already consumed. Okay. Now how much left out? See, sugar bag contained 30 kg of sugar. Consumed sugar 2/5 of the 30. That is of meaning multiplication. 12 kg you consumed. Left out how much? Sugar left out in the bag is total 30 was there. Out of 30 you consumed 12 kg. Now left out 18 kg of sugar. Clear, children? Words problem you have to write the steps having mark, but you can write your own step, that is not a matter, but meaning should be proper. I hope everybody understood this chapter, because already you studied a rational number chapter, that only we are doing here also. Okay, I hope everybody understood. You have to solve it in your classwork copy and study well.